Hello folks and welcome to Driving Street. I am Bharat Gowda. In this video let's have a quick walk around of Hyundai Verna Facelift 2020. If you are new to this channel, click subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So guys, this is the key of Hyundai Verna 2020 and this is how the Verna facelift looks like. The front design of the car has been modified and looks really nice and gives that sporty and sedan look. It has this glossy black front grille, Hyundai signature logo here. In addition to that, they have these 4 sensors in front for convenient parking. Front skid plates also have this glossy black treatment which makes the car look sporty as well. Coming to the headlamp, it has this corner lamp and these two LED headlight and turn indicator bulb and this nice LED DRLs. LED fog lamp is there, surrounded with this black glossy treatment. Overall, with all these features, the front appeal looks premium and sporty. It has this electronic OVRM. Also, it has black color treatment with built-in turn indicator. There is a chrome line that starts from here and goes till the rear. Gives the car side profile a good appeal. It has chrome finish door handles with keyless entry option. Also chrome finish for all door handles is there. It has this 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which are sporty, and in addition to that, it also has the rear disc brakes now. There is a shark fin antenna with glossy black treatment. Coming to rear profile, there is a turbo badging here because it's SXO turbo variant. A new design LED tail lamp with emergency stop signal lamp, first in its segment, and the reflector runs still here. Also integrated turn indicators within it. Hyundai signature logo is here. Now they have added this honeycomb mesh design to its bumper to enhance the sporty appeal of the car. It has rear parking sensors here. And this design on the other end as well. They've also added this twin tip exhaust. Looks nice. Reflectors are there. Chrome lining. With this glossy black treatment is given to the skid plates. Looks sporty enough. Here is a rear parking camera for convenient parking. Now let's look at the boot space. It's a smart trunk which can be opened through the key also. Finishing is good here. It has 480-liter boot space, spacious enough inside here. There is a spare wheel underneath. It's 15-inch steel wheel. The overall rear look of the car looks sporty and premium enough. The side profile of the car looks stunning, and these diamond cut alloy wheels add sporty look to it. The overall length of the car is 4440 mm, height is 1475 mm, wheelbase is 2600 mm, and the fuel tank capacity is approximately 45 liters. Now let's get inside the cabin. In the second row you have this manual sunblinds for rear windshield. It has leather seats with this headrest and armrest with 2 cup holders with leather finish. A good leather finish for seats here. It has this ISOFIX mount option as well. Now let's get inside. Finishing and quality of the door is really good. Chrome finish for unlock handle here. Leather finish for door handle. Spacious map pocket, rear speaker. But there is no sunblind here. There are 2 AC vents for rear passengers. 1 USB fast charging here. Let me show you the headroom and legroom in the second row. Legroom and headroom both are good. It's comfortable here. And this is how the dashboard of Hyundai Verna facelift looks like. Now let's get into the front row. The finishing of the front door is really good, with this leather wrapped handle as well, which is really good. Chrome finish for unlock handle. Mirror control knobs are here. Lock and unlock all door buttons are here. Four power window buttons are here. The steering is completely leather wrapped with the signature logo in the center. These buttons are to answer your phone calls, volume rockers, and control infotainment system as well. And it also has this voice assistance button here. One airbag is also there. These buttons are to control your MID. There is also a cruise control button here. This red stitch gives the steering wheel a sporty appeal. Paddle shifters are nice here. Headlamp and turn indicator controllers. Also you get information in MID. Wiper controller. Here you get nice cool design AC vents with red accents. Traction control button is here. Front parking sensor button. Control illumination. Headlamp positioning knob are here. Coming to the dashboard now. This is an all black interior with red accents around the AC vents. The fit and finish of the dashboard is really good. AC vents with these red accents look cool and sporty. Co-passenger airbag is here. It has totally 6 airbags, 2 front, 2 side and curtains. Coming to center console. It has 8-inch AVNT system, audio video navigation telematic system. Inbuilt navigation is here. You can easily navigate to your destination using this option. Touch response is really good. It has BlueLink connectivity, a connected car technology feature. You can get start your engine remotely, track your car, stolen alerts, etc. and many more you can use this option for. You can connect your phone with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Finish of these knobs are really good. For immediate access and easy of use, there are buttons here. Map, navigation, media and radio buttons. This is a volume controller. AC control buttons are here. It has auto climate control option, easy to access, finishing is really good. These buttons are to control ventilation of front seats. These seats are ventilated seats. You can get air out of these small holes. This is for the driver's seat. And this one is to control the co-passenger seat. Here is the 12-watt adapter point. USB option and USB fast charging is here. You have this wireless charging to charge your phone. This is a gear lever which is nice. Finishing is really good. And this is an automatic car. It has shift lock release button here. Parking option, reverse, neutral and drive options are here. Reverse parking camera view, you can view it on the infotainment system as well. Push start and stop button is here. It has this adjustable armrest here. Pin cup holders are here and handbrake lever. It has completely digital MID. In this you get information about kilometer ran, fuel economy, cruise control, info and many more. It has digital tachometer and digital speedometer. Coming to rear view mirror, it has day and night rear view mirror with SOS button, roadside assistant button to help you in need of any help, and Bluelink connectivity button is here. Here is your reading light. A space to keep your sunglasses. And this button is to open and close your sunroof. So this is the quick walk around of the car. It has 4 variants: S, SX, SXO, SXO Turbo. The price range of this car starts from 9,30,000 to 15,09,000 ex-showroom price. Mileage range according to ARAI is 17.7 kmpl to 25 km per liter. So for bookings, contact Advait Hyundai or check the link in description. So guys, this is all about Hyundai Verna Facelift 2020. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like this video to support us. We'll bring you the drive review of Verna Facelift 2020 very soon. Until then, stay safe and happy driving. This is your Bharat Gowda signing off.